Hello beautiful people, how are you doing today? My name is Remy and all I think about is food. Today I want to show you how to make Ewedu Elegusi, the type of Ewedu that you cook with the addition of Egusi. I have here some Ewedu leaves which I have plucked and washed very well. I am going to now go on to blend these leaves in a blender. I will add a little water, not too much, and then I'm going to be using the pulse function of this blender. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe before you go. Thank you. I have blended Egusi here. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon with a little water just to form a paste. And once that is done, I will put a tiny bit of water in a pan, add my washed iru, add a tiny bit of stock cube, and then I'm going to mix this up. Then I will add the melon paste just in bits like that, and I'll cover this up and let it cook on low heat. This is ready after some 3 to 5 minutes. What I'm going to do now is to take out this melon. Once that is done, I'll proceed to boil the ewedu, the blended ewedu. Please know that the quantity of melon you use depends on the quantity of your ewedu. So for this quantity of ewedu, 1 tablespoon is okay for me. You don't want it to be too much so that it overpowers the ewedu. You just want to be seeing it sparingly in the ewedu. If you find this tip useful, please make sure to give me a thumbs up and do leave me a comment. I would like to know. And especially if you try this out, it would make me so happy if you come back to tell me that I tried this and it worked. It makes me happy. I have boiled this ewedu for 5 minutes and it looks ready. Now I am going to add the melon back into the ewedu. You can see it has a bit of water, which is why I didn't add too much water in the ewedu when I was going to boil it. So I'm just going to mix this. The stove is now on very low heat while I mix this up, and just make sure that I try to break the bigger lumps there. If you find that some of the lumps are too big, you can break them up, and this is what I have. This ewedu is looking so good and it is slimy, which is really good. And this is what I intended to achieve by not cooking the two together at the same time. I have turned off the heat and added a sprinkle of salt, and everything is good now. Ewedu Elegusi is ready. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you have not subscribed, I want to tell you to subscribe now because I have loads of useful kitchen tips to show you. Thank you again and bye bye.